All right, go ahead. This one's from Laura.
Happy birthday.
The colors in here.
Because my sister said, why did you say I love you?
Happy birthday. Very nice. Okay. Play set is for Barbie doll.
What is it? At a gas station that you can... Oh, my friend has that.
Hey, Emily, put your head on top of it. And then, Laura, you get in the picture too and smile. Oh, that's a good
balloon. I thought it was an eye. Grant!
Okay, this is Kelsey.
That's you. A birthday that makes all your sweet dreams come true. This magical moment. Surprise and laughter, surprises and laughter, and smiles in your heart to keep ever after. Happy birthday. Can I see on happy birthday? Can I see on the front? Kelsey.
What does it say? Crystal Beauty Salon.
Ooh.
Let's see here. She makes fingernails and tattoos. Beautiful. Okay, here, girls, you guys smile. Get together. Cheese.
Here.
We're not going to be able to see Emily after a while with all those bows.
It's not a American Girl thing.
Okay, girls, on your bottoms. Everybody on your bottoms. She'll pick it up and show it to you.
Cool.
Oh, and bracelet and
And then
necklace.
we got her pajama. It has charms.
Oh, nice. Sure.
Pretty
But it's the
socks.
second time looking at it, so that's maybe I'll buy it.
You can wear those when you get dressed.
Oh, nice. Okay, how about Sarah? You hold up the.
Whoa! Open it so we know what it is.
Yeah, she
Well,
will.
she's working on it.
Yeah.
It's Sarah and Tashi here.
Stop.
Well, let's take a look at that. What does it do?
Showing
Is
it
it a
off.
What it does is you put one of those little tapes right in there, and then what you do is you and then you open it.
1, 2, 3, cheese.
Look at those teeth.
Can I help him? Oh, it's this. Dude.
Just let her do it, Bubby, if you can.
No. Ooh, I've been wanting this.
Okay, Grant, get in the picture.
I'm gonna see what
Emily.
her name is.
Hey, Emily, get next to Grant.
What's her name?
Smile, Emily.
What's
Nice.
her name?
Yay, we did gifts.
I know, and the horses have lava.
Yeah,
It's a
put
hot
yours on the
lava.
trampoline. Just
We
get
just
it.
want to
Everybody
try
get their shoes
Mama,
on.
my shoes are on.
So you can take them off in about 1 minute.
All right, now they're coloring.
Hello.
They've jumped on the trampoline. They've ridden on the Jeep.
Her hair.
They've played on the swing set. They've caught lightning bugs. And now they're coloring.
Her eyes.